Welcome back, kids. Let's see how we can make this kind of pattern which you can see on the walls of restaurant or maybe malls, or you must have seen somewhere, maybe on the floors or maybe on the gift papers. So we can make these kinds of pattern very easily. It's super easy. So let's see how we can do that. For that I will take a new file. And first of all, let me take the rectangle. Draw a rectangle and then click on the line tool. Draw a line like this. Now start from this point and draw a line like this. Similarly like this, and this way you will continue. Click outside and draw a line again. So this will make a kind of pattern for you. You can zoom if you want to. After that I will go to view and zoom out again. Right, so let's fill the color now. I'll take the bucket tool and then I'll start filling up the color and leave one block again. Start from here, leave one block, fill the color like this. And right now I will leave this white, this as black. So this is how I will fill the color. Similarly this one. And after this, let me fill the color here and this way. Now let's see how we can make the pattern. For that you have to click on the select tool and click on this down arrow and make sure that you have clicked on the transmit selection mode. When you click on this, it will get a highlighted point like this. So you can see after selecting, you can see the check mark. It means it is on. After this, you just select this whole pattern, cut and paste, and then adjust it, move it to the corner. Again paste and move it here. Paste again and move. Paste, move. Paste, move. Right? After this, again I will click on the select tool, and then let me select this hole, and again copy and paste. So now just shift it down, paste once more and shift it down. So it is very much easier, and if you want to change the color you can do that. Let's see, if I want to change it to this color, I simply take the color and I will click on the fill color. So this way you can change the color too. You can take your own color that you like. So it was really very easy. I hope you enjoyed it. You will make to love to make these kinds of pattern. So keep learning, keep drawing, keep sharing. Do like, subscribe and share.